It was a beautiful time in Rome, very, very hot. This was the heat wave hitting Europe and Southern Europe with all the fires and everything, and we spent like 3 days in Rome at 40 degrees. That was pretty crazy. Now we're leaving Rome and we're going to our next destination, and I'm curious if you're gonna guess it. Ciao ragazzi, we're in an Italian village, a Sicilian village actually, on the east side of Sicily, and it's very, very close to Etna volcano, and I wanted to show you how an Italian village looks like. I'm gonna disclose the location, my location, on the end of the video. And I hope you're gonna bear with me until the end. We have a puppy. Hi puppy! A lot of cars because there are some tourists who come here to relax, or actually maybe the cars of the owners of the houses inside this village. And I think I said village 15 times already. The temperature is right now, it's perfect. It's like August and we have 30 I think degrees Celsius. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. We just went outside and got an ice cream from a very local shop where the owner, his name is Signore Bruno, and he has like a big golden necklace around his neck, and he speaks like a very rock language. And yeah, now I'm gonna make my way towards this side, which is actually a little forest, and the pathway towards the seaside. From that gate till the beach, I think you have like a 2-minute walk, and we're like in our slippers and a swimming suit. Actually, some girls behind me, they were like, oh my god, English people. No, well, just the language is English. Okay, let me give you a little shot, but I wouldn't like to film any Sicilian people because I don't want to get like in any Sicilian like issue here on the island. Okay guys, let me show you the seaside. Wow, so beautiful. Ooh. Hi baby, hi Sicily. Woohoo! This is so beautiful. Let me give you a shot of the Etna volcano. Just look at this, it's like this. See? This is the Etna volcano, the largest one in Europe. And these are some bamboo sticks. I don't know, I think they're bamboo. And this is Sicily. Guys, this is Sicily. Hey. The Etna volcano. Oh, the zoom on this camera is amazing. Okay, beautiful. Okay, so let's continue with our experience through the Sicilian village. We have there, I think you can see it, that's the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Because we're in Sicily. No, people actually do like that. Oh my god, here in this village Sicilian village, in case you didn't understand where I am, because I'm gonna start saying that like 1500 times until the algorithm is gonna understand what I'm telling him. Oh, there's the Sicilian cat. Wait. And the Sicilian guy scooter. Wait. Hey, peace. Hey, peace. Wait. Hey, peace? Do you understand this? No, okay. I'm sorry. Scusate. Prego, scusate. She doesn't want. I just apologized to a Sicilian cat. She looked at me and then she was like, and then she went away. I just said hello to her in Italian and I think she understood me. Buonasera. Buonasera. It doesn't look very much different than from a place in our country, but the thing is you have different vegetation here. The water is like super clean and the prices are not that high, except from the place where we're staying at, because that was the only accommodation like we could find. My sister was like, tell the truth. Yes, I'm telling the truth. Yeah, our accommodation is quite expensive. But usually here it should be like 200, maybe 250 euro for a 4-day stay. So it shouldn't be that much. Wait, I have the keys. Let's open the door. Yep. And we have the gates opening up for us. Beautiful. And this is the Sicilian place we're living at. It's called Sicily country. And now I think you have more clues on where we are right now. Sicily. Sicily. Siciliano. What fruit is this? Is this person? Oh, the doors are closing by themselves. What fruit is this? And trees, and the orange plantation, and the plants, and the other plants, and everything is so cute. Oh, let's go grab our dessert. We have a dessert. Yesterday was like a huge party around here. Okay, this is where we're staying, and this is where we sometimes like spend some time. I think you can pretty easily hear the music. So this is the restaurant area. This is the bar, and this is like, how do you call this tree? It has this sweet fruit, right? Figs, not figs. Figs, maybe. Yeah, I think they're figs. And this is the beautiful porch we have. And a little bit more of the orange tree farm. And aloe. How do you call it in English? A bit more of this place, of the rooms and everything. Flowers, a lot of them. And this is our room. Hope. Guys, welcome to Syracuse. And this is a UNESCO Heritage place in Sicily. Guys are walking on a boat, are having a great trip, enjoying themselves. So this is a UNESCO World Heritage site, and we're gonna visit now the place, the monument for Archimedes. And I think some of you know the fact that he was from here, from the city, and he invented the principle like of if you put an object in the water, it's gonna displace the same amount of water volume as the volume of the object itself. Archimedes actually came up with the idea that all the women of Syracuse should stay on the land and point big bronze mirrors to one single to the boats of the enemy, and they started a fire with that, and they won a war. Okay. Yes. About this place. Sicily. Good. Well guys, we're in Syracuse in Sicily with some Romanian people we found in our hotel actually, and this is how the sea looks like in Syracuse. Beautiful. The huge cliffs and the boats in the water, and a lot of it. Beautiful place. And the water is so blue and clear, but there's actually no beach here, so there's only cliffs, and I don't know how we could get inside and get outside after that. And the water is sparkling and so blue at the easternmost point in Sicily, and it's called Muro di Puerco. I mean, it's wall of pig wall. Guys, I'm saying goodbye from this beautiful place. We just took a bath and it was amazing. We did a little bit of snorkeling as well. There's a lot of fish even sitting around here, and even like in depth, and also behind these rocks. Beautiful area in the south of Syracuse. Beautiful place. I don't know, it's like some kind of a hidden secret around here, and not many people. The water is incredible and so transparent and so clear, and I absolutely love this here. So I'm saying goodbye from this place, this amazing place. It was a short trip, day trip, but I'm super happy we came here. Hi Sicily, it's been so nice. We're now departing from Catania airport, and it's been an amazing experience in Sicily, and we'll definitely come back to explore more. So stay tuned. Bye guys.